myself, Ashok Kumar Pathak, living with my children, Harsh, Yash, Amrita, Neha, in flat number A block 305. We have shifted here in the April 2017 and till date we are enjoying too much. I am feeling proud to purchase the flat in Elena 5, Mahindra Homes, and be the part of the members of the Mahindra Homes. It is fine, very fine, and we have got the registration of this flat hassle free. We did not face any problem till date, and so many amenities are here: swimming pool, parking, everything is here. All the facilities, gym and clubhouse, and badminton court, all amenities are here available. We are enjoying with all the amenities, and with my family I have purchased and I am happy. And next one also I want to purchase one more flat. I am considering for that. I think I will go for Arena, and I have gave reference to so many friends to purchase the flat and enjoy here. They came here, visited here, they like it, and I think they are also planning to purchase in Arena. So we are feeling very comfortable. All the higher management team, Sri Reddy, Nikita, Pradeep Pandey, Srikant, Vinay, everybody is very cooperating. All teams of Elena 5 is very cooperating. We have not faced any problem till date. Any kind of problem if we face, we inform them, immediately they solved it. So in this way, all of us are very happy. We are living here with my family very happily, and we are feeling proud. And MD has built up this temple so nicely. So we the senior people enjoy there, sitting there, and it is a very good thing for this Elena 5. So I am very much thankful for this whole management team of Elena. So beautifully they have maintaining this Elena 5, and Mahindra Homes is very fine. Their management committee is very fine. So I think in near future so many people, I am giving the reference to so many people to come and purchase and be the family of Mahindra Homes.
Hi, this is Avisikta. I am a proud owner to be in Elena 5, Unit 110. So the overall experience with Mahindra was wonderful. The day I entered Mahindra, I met your sales team, and the head of sales, Sangeeta, was very helpful to give me the complete project related overview. Right from I have been associated with Mahindra from last 4 to 6 months, and the journey was very wonderful. Right from the sales, right from the CRM, right from the civil person, Suresh and team, they are quite helpful. Whenever it is required, Suresh and team is already there for me to help, and the complete project looks very good. It has plenty of open space, so much of greenery. I always had a dream to have a project like this, and it's like a dream come true to me. And when I came to Arna, here the pace of the construction is quite fascinating.
I am Narayan Nambudiri, coming from Kerala. I have been here for from the last June onwards, and before that I was staying in Bombay, and after that we have shifted to here, and we have 2 flats here, B603 and this flat, B703, and I and my daughter and my wife and 2 kids are staying here, and it's a very good experience. While we taken flats here, that's about 2 years back. Just started the construction of B block, and we have booked 2 flats here, one for my son and another for my daughter. And after that, we have after completion of the work, we have shifted here. Actually, it is very good experience. At the time of shifting, all the amenities are not completed, but as of now, all the amenities are completed, and we are enjoying very much. And regularly we are going to the gym and swimming pool once in a while we are going. And after that we came here. We have these two kids studied that swimming from this swimming pool itself. It's actually it is very good experience. And we thought that my son-in-law is in France. He is also have some planning to buy one flat also. It's only for investment purpose. We are looking for a flat at Arna. It is a new project. I want to go there and to see that how it is, and if possible we will book a flat there. I think it is more convenient that area is very big, and even though here comparing to other flats here, it's very spacious, and all the external amenities we have, we are enjoying very much actually.
I had a great experience in dealing with the Mahindra Homes while purchasing my property in Bangalore. I did not have much idea about the current real estate scenario in the city as I am outside India, but their prompt advice and guidance helped me a lot in deciding upon my property. Being a proud owner in one of the Project Elena 5 of Mahindra Homes, I am highly satisfied with the construction and the quality of apartment they delivered along with the amenities on time. I would recommend Mahindra Groups for all the apartment buyers who are looking for a dream home. So keep up the good work, Mahindra Homes.
Hi everyone, my name is Ravi, and this is my better half Purnima, and this is our little daughter Purvi, 2 years old. Project that we have bought is Mahindra Arna, and the unit is Tower A1 and flat is 606. Being new to Bangalore, it's been only 2 years, and we were residing just opposite to Arna. It's always a dream for any person or a family to buy his own house. So that is what we saw, and we had few visit. So first time I visited Arna, I met salesperson Manigandan. Later, due to some official reasons and other things, we were not in touch, and it took some time. And even though we visited like 6 months after and 8 months after, Mani still remembered us, and we had another interaction. And that's when we confirmed the unit, and based on the facilities and everything. So if you see Electronic City Phase 2, there is no other project which has all the facilities and amenities that Arna provides. Even though there are few other things coming up, but when you compare and evaluate both of them, Arna is the best choice. That is why the reason was for us to go ahead and book the unit. And as I said, from our balcony we can view the unit every day, and the progress that we see is very good, and most of the blocks have just like popped up in front of our eyes within few months. So it's a good journey during the booking phase and everything. And afterwards, yeah, we came over to have a look at the unit, and my wife liked it very much. Yeah, and one of the main reasons to buy the home was our little one, because as you know, kids nowadays, they don't tend to be at home too much. They need a space to roam around, which you don't find anywhere else, especially in cities like Bangalore, where the houses are constructed in a close way and everything. That's the another reason we selected Arna, because of the open space that it has, especially the kids area, the parks, the swimming pool and everything. So as you can see, she's already roaming around, and it's a huge space which will be very helpful to her when she goes around and does stuff like that. Yeah, and after that, from the CRM team, we interacted with Shubha and Khushbu, and currently we are also interacting with Rachna on the modification side. And all the way it has been a very helpful. The team has provided all the inputs properly. We have been given whatever documents we have asked for, the clearance and everything. And yeah, going ahead, I will surely recommend any of my friends or families or any other person to go ahead and buy whatever Mahindra Home suggests or whatever the project is.
Hello, I am Sriram here. I stay in Anantnagar I'm staying for the last 6 years. There was a sudden development in 2016 where we suddenly found a new project coming which was being launched by Mahindra Homes, which was in synonym with Mahindra, the corporate group. And once we walked into the project office, we were really surprised that such a big project at this place would be really working out with the price which they were quoting at that time. That was, I am telling, somewhere in between April 2016. Whereas finally, after 3-4 months down the line, there was huge activity in and around that place. So I booked the apartment in November 2016, really with perplexed or confused mind whether really it will work out, because to be very frank, as per the area, this price I was feeling it was still higher. But today, after almost more than a year and a half, I really find it's great to see it has appreciated by 15% or more. And to be very frank, it is the best project in the vicinity of say 8 to 10 kilometers, located centrally in the heart of the business hub or whatever you call, happening place of Electronic City. And I wish Mahindra all success to create future projects in the same area, as there is lot of potential, and this will be a landmark project for the entire area, where many other builders similar or of similar stature or above will definitely replicate to achieve something similar or better. And mostly I would like to thank the CRM team, entire sales team, who are really influential in me taking this decision, for which I am really very proud of.